Round 1, chain 5. Add 38 cm wire to the last chain. Round 2, work 2 single crochet in second chain from hook. Half double crochet. Work 7 double crochet. Follow with a half double crochet. Finish with 2 single crochet. Change color in last single crochet. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 3, start with 3 single crochet. Half double crochet increase. Work 2 double crochet increases. Five double crochet. Follow with 2 double crochet increases. Half double crochet increase. Finish with 3 single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Round 1, begin with a magic ring. Work 10 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 2, work 10 single crochet. Slip stitch. Round 3, chain 6. Work 2 slip stitches in second chain from hook. Two single crochet. Follow with a half double crochet. Skip next stitch and slip stitch. Repeat steps 1 to 5 times. Round 1, start with a magic ring. Work 15 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch. Chain 2. Round 2, add wire for stability. Work 15 double crochet increases. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 3, work 2 single crochet increases. Two half double crochet increases. Twenty-two double crochet increases. Follow with 2 half double crochet increases. Finish with 2 single crochet increases. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 4, work the following sequence 10 times. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Repeat. Slip stitch to join. Split your yarn into 2 strands. Find the middle of your wire. Start wrapping your yarn around it. Fold that wire in half. Keep wrapping. Grab 4 flower centers and play matchmaker with some petals. Add 4 more petals to each. Keep wrapping until it looks just perfect. Give each flower a cozy home in its base. A dab of glue to keep the sepals in place. Gather all 7 mini flowers. Start wrapping and add those lovely leaves. Pop in the flower stem. Secure everything with a touch of glue.